to AMC 8, question 19. Mr. Ramos gave a test to his class of 20 students. The dot plot below shows the distribution of test scores. Later, Mr. Ramos discovered that there was a scoring error on one of the questions. He regraded the tests, awarding some of the students 5 extra points, which increased the median test score to 85. What is the minimum number of students who received extra points? This question is very nice, where it actually provides a note on the median for even number of numbers. So the median test score equals the average of the two scores in the middle if the 20 test scores are arranged in increasing order. So keep that in mind, because in some questions they may not reinforce this definition of median for you. All right, now let's take a look at the current score. So we have two score at 75s, and for this, I'm going to draw a line. This is going to be 20, okay? And then this is, let's see, this is 1. So you have 65, two of them. And then let's make it faster. So that's two numbers, and then you have two numbers that are 70. Then you have four numbers, 75, five numbers, 80, two numbers, 85, three numbers at 90. Then your 19 is 95, 20 is 100. That's your 20 numbers. Now, by this definition, the median is the average of the two numbers in the middle. So who is in the middle? If you have 20 numbers, 10 and 11 are in the middle. So let's see. Currently, you have 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. So actually, your 10 and 11 are here. 12, 13. Which means the current median, so the median initially was 80. Now, some students will get 5 extra points, which means 65 may go to 70, 70 may go to 75, 80 may go to 85, blah, blah, blah. And your requirement is the median needs to increase to 85. And note that the only way for your median to be 85 is going to be what? Well, there are two ways actually. So let's say first way. So for median to be, so median 85. The first way, which is easier, is 10th and 11th are both 85. So 10, 11, 85, 85. In that sense, the average of them is also 85. Now, how can we make that happen? Well, to make that happen, you can move some of the 80s to 85. Remember, your 10, 11, 12, 13 are now 80, 80, 80, 80. So if you want your 10th and 11th to be 85, you will need to increase those four numbers score to 85. In that sense, starting from your 10th number, it's 85, 85, 85, 85. So in that sense, you need to increase four numbers. Are there other possibilities? Well, the second way is a little bit trickier because you need the average of the two numbers in the middle to be 85. So the second way is your 10th is 85. Your 11th is now 90. Sorry, your 10th is 80. Your 11th is 90. In that sense, the average of those two is 85. Well, how do we make that work? If your 10th is 80, you can keep it as 80. But then you will need to increase a lot of things to 90. You need to move the 85 to 90, another 85 to 90. All those three, in fact, you don't have enough numbers to move to 90 because you need 11th number to be 90 and everything after that to also be 90 and above. But the problem is you can only increase 85 to above 90. So you can increase two of them. But then for those 80, even if you increase their number by 5, you don't reach 90. So second way actually is impossible. But it's good we checked it because theoretically it's possible before we check how the distribution looks like. So given that, the answer is